Welcome to Honor of Kings. Enemy minions will arrive in 5 seconds. Charge! All forces, move out!
Head to the mid lane.
Retreat!
Losers! Shame! The mid lane is shorter and offers plenty of opportunities to assist the other lanes. Quick!
Head into the jungle to farm some extra resources while waiting for the next mission.
Get out of there!
Tower attacks become more powerful with each hit, so pull back. Charge! An enemy has been slain.
I'll light a candle at your funeral.
Triple kill. Fabulous.
You're in trouble now. Stop them!
Legendary.
I'll light a candle at your funeral.
Double kill.
Get out of there!
Pull back as soon as an enemy tower targets you.
Bingo!
After hitting an enemy with skill 2, Angela can quickly use skill 1 and her skill 3 to form a 2-1-3 skill combo and deal massive damage. Legendary.
Now you'll be
Nice
sorry.
killing.
Study of the occult only leads to the deeper occult.
An enemy has been slain.
Quick! You're in trouble now.
Double kill.
Magic exists for my convenience. Stop them!
Legendary.
Get out of there!
Tower attacks become more powerful with each hit, so pull back. Tower shields have been shattered. Catapults moving out.
Losers!
An ally
Shame
has been
on
slain.
You.
Charge! Charge! Legendary! Double kill!
I'll light a candle at your funeral.
Charge!
Quick!
Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Everybody has a plan.
Charge!
Until they get fireballed
kill! An enemy has been slain. Triple kill! Charge! Your team has destroyed a turret.
Made me mad.
Legendary!
Now you'll be
Ace.
sorry. Losers! Shame on you! Get out of there!
Tower attacks become more powerful with each hit, so pull back.
Attacking the inner tower on this lane. Keep pushing toward the high ground.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Legendary! Fabulous! Double
I'll
kill!
light a candle at your funeral.
Fabulous! Triple!
Study of the occult.
An ally
To
has
the
been
deeper
slain.
occult.
Quadro kill!
You made me mad. Now you'll be sorry. Bingo! I'm here
Charge!
to kick some butt.
Charge! An ally has been slain. Charge! Charge!
Magic exists for my convenience.
Legendary! Double kill!
I'll light a
Triple kill! Tower attacks become more powerful with each hit, so pull back. Kill!
Everybody has a plan until they get fireballed in the face.
Charge!
Ha!
Attack the marker!
We've destroyed all the enemy towers in a lane. Now destroy the crystal. Shame on you! Come on!
Nice killing!
I'll light a candle at your funeral.
An ally has been slain. Double kill! Triple kill! Charge! Marvelous! Charge!
Study of the occult only leads to the deeper occult.
Legendary! Use your basic attack, pull back, as soon as an enemy tower targets you. Victory!